welcome back. We are going to install the lifter blocks and the lifters today. Got the Tappet alignment tool here. It's got a taper to it, so it should help us align the lifter block to the case right here and make sure that these oil galleys line up. So the book mentions that you should only use one, or that you should use one and you should place it closest to the oil hole. So like right there. Well, I'm going to use another one, locate another one over here, just to, you know, because I have it. So doesn't look like too crazy of a procedure. Yeah, nothing too crazy. We're just gonna get into it. Okay, we got the lifter blocks installed with the lifters in there, I think, hopefully. Yep, they're still in there. So we use the lifter block alignment tool. Worked out pretty well. Just put one per the manual closest to the oil galley, and then located the other one across from it. Installed the bolts, replaced them, installed the bolts. So I'm pretty sure that worked out good. Gasket looks like it's in there okay. Don't really know what's going on with the oil galley. I hope it's aligned. If not, then I guess we'll have to deal with that later. For this front lifter block, what I did, because you can't put your hand in there because the cam chest is all locked up, what I did was I just bent a paper clip like this to act as my magnet to hold these lifters, and then you like apply some pressure like that as you put them down, and it keeps the lifters up. And it worked really well. A little bit unorthodox, but you know, I didn't have to buy another specialty tool, so that's a win in my book. But yeah, they're installed, they're torqued down, 13 foot-pounds. I think it came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. So thanks for watching.
Yo, check the script.